Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, you need to hold your device's display and click on this gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now select More. Scroll down just a bit and click on Icon Size. Over here you can swipe left or right in order to adjust it. And then when you're ready, tap on Home button. Lastly, click on this check mark at the top right corner. And as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!